सत्यव्रतम् सत्यपरम् त्रिसत्यम् सत्यस्य योनिं निहितं च सत्ये सत्यस्य सत्यम् कृतसत्यनेत्रम् सत्यात्मकम् त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नाः वाणी गुणानुकतने श्रवणौ कथायां हस्तौ च कर्मसु मनस्तव पादयोनः स्मृत्यां शिरस्तव निवास जगत्प्रणामे दृष्टि सदा दर्शनेषु भवत्तनूना नमो भगवते तस्मै कृष्णाय अद्भुतकर्मणे रूपनाम विभेदेन जगत्क्रीडति यो यतः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Now, I request Mrs. Harini Ma'am, President of Institution Innovation Council, to briefly share about IIC.
Thank you, Ritika. Thank you, one and all out there. Let me start with a thanking note to everyone who have joined this webinar, even when the situation is not that favorable to us. And thank you, speaker, Lieutenant Dr. K.P. Sridhar sir, for joining the webinar at the right time. I'm here to brief about the IIC of our college, the working of IIC of our college. Institutions Innovation Council was started in the year 2019 under the guidance of our principal, Dr. Geeta ma'am. And since then, we have been working for the coordination of entrepreneurship, promoting entrepreneurship and innovation in our college. Since then, we have been sending students, asking the students to, encouraging students to participate in various competitions like innovation contest, Smart India Hackathon, Ideathon, etc. And when it comes to entrepreneurship line, we have series of activities like mushroom cultivation, block printing workshops happening at the college. And regularly, we are conducting workshop every year to the new set of students and creating entrepreneurs in the same. Even during the pandemic, due to the working, perfect working from our side, they have received a 4-star rating from the Ministry of Education because we are directly answering to them. And this year, during the academic year 2021 also, we have been conducting various webinars and various activities related to entrepreneurship and innovation. And we have submitted all our documents to the Ministry of Education. We are awaiting results. For the academic year 21-22, this is the first webinar, and welcome you all for the beautiful webinar from a very innovative person. And I again thank you all for joining the webinar. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Myself, Ritika K, Students Coordinator of IIC, welcome all of you to the national webinar on My Path as an Innovator by Dr. LT Dr. K.P. Sridhar. I am enlightened to introduce and welcome today's resource person, Honorable LT Dr. K.P. Sridhar, who has unbelievable 44 patents to his credit. Our innovator is also a professor and research director in Katpagam Academy of Higher Education, Coimbatore. He holds a BA, BCA degree, Diploma in ECE, BE in ECE, ME in Communication System, and PhD in ECE Robotics at Katpagam University 2016. Sir is having 5 years experience as a project engineer and 7 years experience as an assistant professor. He had published a book named Lambert on medical image segmentation approaches for identifying tumor in brain. He also edited and reviewed IJET, Wireless Personal Communication, Springer, International Journal of System Assurance Engineering and Management, IJSA. He was awarded a gold medal for Borewell Gripper System at 2013, National Award for Best Startup by NPDRR in 2017, Best Promoter Award for Creating Tobacco-Free Coimbatore by Cancer Foundation, Coimbatore in 2016, and Best Innovator Award by Kavincare MMA Chinni Krishnan Innovation Award in 2020. Adding another feather to his innovation cap, he received an award from our past President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He has been invited as a resource person and presided as a chief guest for many events. With these few words, let me invite Speaker of the Day, LT Dr. KP Sridhar sir, in the virtual platform to inspire us with his lifetime stories as an innovator. Just a little request for the participants before we get started. If you have any doubts regarding the topic during the webinar, please type them in the chat box. We will bring them up at end. I now hand over the platform to the Honorable Resource Person, LT Dr. KP Sridhar sir.
Yeah, Ritika, thanks for giving a short note about me. And I thank your management, your principal, Dr. Geeta, and Madam Dr. Harini ma'am for giving a short note about your IISc program and what you do so far in IISc. So I'm happy to say that national-wide, I'm one of the member in IISc Council in New Delhi, and I'm a frequent visitor to UGC also. Just for your information. So you have given me a title like My Path as an Innovator. Yes, actually in this title, I want to mention about my inventions only. So I'll share a few of my inventions, how we conceived and how we developed those products. So as Ritika mentioned, I have 44 patents. So each one is a product. So that is how I want to present here because the title says my path. So I want to mention my documents only. Okay. Let me tell you shortly. What you should know as a student what is research and what is innovation. So we should differentiate both the things. Like we should know what is research, and then we should know what is innovation. First, research is nothing but if you start something from the existing thing. Like, for example, let us take the mobile technology, right? Initially, we had normal mobile network, and then we have 2G, 3G, 4G. Now we are working on 5G. So you know the difference between 2G, 3G, and 4G. I don't want to go in deep with those technology, right? So initially they have invented a communication, that is we used to call it as half duplex communication, and then it through research it became full duplex. Half duplex is nothing but you could have seen these police persons, they were using some wireless, right? We used to call it as rig. So that is what half duplex. Initial communication was made through half duplex only, and then through research we came up with full duplex, that is the mobile communication, that is the telephone communication. And later, with the reference to that telephone communication, we came up with mobile technology. You can carry anywhere and you can talk to the people from any geographical location. Okay, so in that case, if something is existing and if you're narrow down something from the existing work, is called as research. Through research only innovation happens. So in that, if you identify or if you come up with a novel thing, then it is called as innovation. So we want to we should be able to differentiate what is innovation and what is research. So for example, if I don't know which stream you are in, almost 100 students are there. I don't in which stream. Ma'am, could you please tell me? I can give some examples in the particular stream.
So we have students from all the streams.
Okay.
are science as well as commerce students inside, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if it is science, let me tell, for example, you have developed some product, right, for detecting and mitigation of pollution, right? So initially the sensor is not invented by us and from the basic inventors. Sensors is a concept. Initially, who invented that sensor is called as innovator. From that, if we narrow down and if we are doing research, then we can't mention as invention, because invention is already met. So continuous process of improving things cannot be an invention. Only it is called as research, right? So once if you have innovation or if you come up with a product, then only you can go for filing patent. Then only you can call it as your own invention. Otherwise, it will be as research only. Okay, this is the main difference between the innovation and research. So that is in our institution, and also in my personal profile, I have my own institution. I'm the managing trustee of Karpa Foundation. Almost we have 42 products. Each patent is a product. Let me tell you how we have conceived that idea, and we have how we have developed that product. Basically, all our engineering products. Let me explain in your way how you can understand the things. Okay. So initially, I'm happy to say that I'm the father of cell phone stand. So I hold a patent for that. So those days, in 2002 and all, you could have noticed in the old cinemas, right? They'll be holding a very big phone, single phone, right? So by that time, in AC compartments, only we can able to find plug points, for charging our mobile phone. Those days, I used to hold a mobile phone. I was traveling to Pune for my official work. So while traveling, I have noticed so many people, they were waiting nearby that door, nearby that third AC, and they were waiting for the turn to charge their mobile. Only limited phones are available those days. Now if you travel even in sleeper class, you can find a plug point in your coach. Those days only you can find plug point only in the AC compartments, that too only one plug point nearby that washroom. Okay, so in that case, I have noticed many people, they were holding their phone and they are standing nearby that washroom, and they were charging their mobile phone. By that time, there is no stand for mobile phone. So what I did is, even while traveling, I always used to carry my laptop along with me. Basically, I'm a design engineer. So I started designing a simple polypropylene material, that is L-type device for holding a phone. So it is not a very big thing, but for that particular need, it is required. So what I did is, while reaching Chennai, I completed the design, and I had a friend in IIT. I met him, and I told him I want to create a patent for this. Okay. Patent in the sense, this is not IPR, this is a die. We used to call it as die. And we spent some 10,000 rupees, and we created that die. It is a patent, and that is mold. Okay. And then while traveling to Coimbatore, I carried 10,000 pieces of cell phone stand. So see how you can conceive idea, even your work of life, like whenever you're traveling, whenever you are sitting or discussing, chatting with your friends, you can conceive idea, you can take up few things, and you can come up with a new idea, right? That is what required for an inventor, right? Research, yeah, obviously now you can find so many type of cell phone stands, right? So first cell phone stand, who required it, or otherwise who conceived that it is need of the hour. That is what invention is. So by that time, it may be very simple. It may be very simple. But even after inventing that, the research, they'll give you enormous output. Like they'll change many things. They'll change the material. They change the shape, size, everything, and then they'll give you the best. But the credit goes always to the inventor who invented first. Even for electricity, till date we are mentioning the scientist who invented, right? Likewise, so inventors always hold credit for their devices and product. So this is how I have invented that cell phone stand, and I'm happy to say this. I'm hey that I'm the father of cell phone stand, and I hold patent for it. And then this is one of my product, and then I started even just a couple of years back I was selling the same product in Snapdeal and Flipkart. Now I'm not doing that. See, once if you come up with innovation, that is the first product, if you are launching in the market, you can generate enormous money. It is also very important. If you want to be a innovator, right, you will get name, fame, and money. So for that, you want to do smart work rather than a hard work, right? You should do smart work. Whenever you see something, you should look at it in a different way. Even I heard even today morning while watching news, I was seeing flood in Chennai, right? I know you people are affected with rain. What you can do in that, how you can help the people through your technique or technology or your science, right? That is what matters in research. That is what matters in research. So in 2015, I don't know how many of you are aware of it. Maybe the senior people in this group, they might be knowing. 2015, we have supplied from Karpa Foundation a small charger for mobile. It is a simple technique, right? By the time there is no electricity, the people were struggling for day-to-day things. So by the time they are unable to reach the people through phone, they are unable to charge their mobiles. So for that, we have created a small device which you can fix it in your car, bike, and you can charge your mobile phone. Those days, right? 15, we have supplied in Chennai, right? This is how you want to make use of the opportunity what you have. As I mentioned, that was my first invention. And then in 2003, while reading newspaper, right? Actually, every day morning I used to read newspaper. Whatever you see, you will get an opportunity, right? While reading newspaper, I come across a few things like one kid, Mr. Devraj, who lost his life in Dindukal. He lost his life because of this borewell incident. Those days, there is no device for rescue operation, and it is new to the rescue people. So they are unable to do such things because they are not having proper equipment, and also they are not aware how to do the things. So while reading the newspaper, I come across, okay, there is an incident. And I started referring newspapers, national papers like that. And I came to know many incidents happening every year. And I have started creating a database and I started working on it. And in the end of the year, I came out with a product, right? That is a rescue machine. It is a very simple machine. For your reference, I'm telling, it's a very simple machine. It is a simple gripper unit, right? With the help of that machine, see why the invention is essential. I like to mention here, because with the help of that machine, we have saved 8 kids from borewell so far, right? Even in 2015 in Arcot, we did a rescue operation, right? We did it in 15 minutes with the help of that gripper, right? We did an operation in 2010, right? Recently, there is a failure operation on 20, Sujit, right? I was there. My equipment was holding that kid, right? Unfortunately, even while reaching that spot, okay, few things cannot be disclosed as directed by government, right? So even reaching that spot, we holded that fingers. There is, fingers, and we were holding till the end. But unfortunately, we lost that life. Okay, so this is the power of invention. Okay, if you invent something, it may save life, it may be useful for the people, and it may simplify the day-to-day activity or the technology, whatever you invent, that may change the lifestyle of the people. It may help the environment. Likewise, it will help you if you do invention. If you do research, obviously, it will give the fine-tuned device for the people. Okay. Okay, this is how you want to conceive. First, initially, you want to conceive the idea. How, whenever you travel, whenever you read the newspaper, you'll get an idea. Through that, you can narrow down the things, and then you can design for that particular conceiveness. Okay, whatever you conceive, and then you can implement, and you can go for trials. This is how the innovation works. So in 2003, through newspaper only, I come across there is an incident, right? Then it became a product. For that, I got awards, and also I saved 8 kids. That is very important. Even I like to share. Even I can show you that. So just I'm sharing a video.
வேலூர் மாவட்டம் ஆற்காடு அருகே
I hope you can able to view this. If not, please
Yes, sir.
let me know. Yeah, this white shirt, it's me. This is a successful operation, and we did it in 15 minutes. This white shirt. Okay, so we did this operation in 15 minutes. So this is one of the successful story. And then okay, so this will give you the motivation. Once if you save life through your invention, that will give you motivation, and it will lead you to do further research, and also to get to conceive more ideas for society. Okay, this is my second invention. Okay, and I like to quote, since you are all majority of them are ladies, I want to mention an example. How many of you are using the TVS Scooty? See, my discussion is all about invention. Okay, since you have mentioned about innovator. Anyone?
Myself, sir.
Okay.
Myself.
Yourself, Sangeeta. Okay, Scooty you people are using. Okay. Rest
Yes,
of them you could have used any other brand, the scooters, right? Scooters or bike, whatever it is, right? So whether you have noticed a single thing, it's a very important and safety thing. Like if you are not unfolding the stand, that will give noise. That will give alert. Okay,
Yes, sir.
in Scooty.
Mm.
Rest of the bike or scooters, you are not having that option in that particular part. Like if you are not unfolding that stand, you won't get any alert or something. Do you know why? Except Scooty, you will not be having that option in any other bike.
But
Any other
in
two-wheeler.
other vehicles, we have the red alert that's shown in the display
Red alert,
near the
not
fuel
the
meter or the
noise.
speedometer. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Not
not
the
the
noise.
noise. Yeah, definitely not the noise. Yeah.
Do you know why? It was a small, very small invention. It is need of the hour actually. It was invented by school-going kid. Like she was 8th standard, Saranya, right? She invented that, and she got patent for it. And that particular patent was licensed to TVS. Now the patent is with TVS, right? They have all the rights to use that technology for that particular part. Okay, if any other vehicle need that facility, they want to merge with TVS for that particular technology, and then only they can utilize that facility. It is a safety thing. Everyone will agree, yes, we need this for safety purpose and all. But if you want to utilize that, then you want to get permission, and also you want to license with TVS, and then only you can utilize in vehicles, any other vehicles, right? And also let me tell you, this is the power of invention. And I'll tell you one more example. Not now, just 2 or 3 years before, wherever you go for if you visit any showroom, car showroom, For example, let us take Maruti, Tata, Fiat, right? Whatever you mentioned. Okay. If you go there and if you surf that browser, you can find, let us take Maruti, right? Maruti or Tata. If you go there and if you surf that browser, they'll mention the interior is made of this, that, and all Tata, 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 Tata. Everywhere they'll mention Tata. While coming to the heart of that machine, that is the car, heart of that car, engine, they used to mention Fiat engine. Have you ever noticed that? It is Fiat engine, right? Even in Tata and Maruti. Now Maruti is using KTEN and their own engine, right? Previously, like just 4 years back, Maruti, they have changed, and Tata just 2 years back. Still a few engines or two models are coming with Fiat, okay? And many cars, right? They are using Fiat engine. Do you know why they are even whole history will be Tata, whole history will be, Maruti, like that. But while coming to that particular heart of that machine point, engine, they'll mention Fiat engine. Even they can't mention it as Tata or Suzuki engine, right? Do you know why? For that multi-jet engine, for Fiat multi-jet engine, they have patent. Fiat has patent. So if you want to utilize that technology, the same technology, then you want to get license from Fiat, and then only you can use it. But even for your information, even Tata and Suzuki, they are manufacturing that engine in their industry only, but they'll mention it as Fiat because they are not authorized to use their own name, because it is not invented by Suzuki or Tata. That is why they are, mentioning it as Fiat in their brochures even, because the browser is meant for that showroom, like it may be Suzuki or Tata, but they are using the name as Fiat in that browser itself. That is the power of invention. Okay. So from that invention only, based on research, they came up with this KTEN engine, right? Peugeot, like that. They came up with variety of engines. But initially, that multi-jet, I'm telling about multi-jet. Multi-jet engine is invented by Fiat only. So this is the power of, invention. There are many examples like this. So, that is how the invention matters. Okay. And then the technology, as I mentioned, now we are in 5G. This is because of research, not because of invention. So we can't say the 5G is an invention. No, it is based on research only we came up with 5G. Okay. So this is how the innovation works, right? So once if you have inventions and how you can generate money, even as Ritika mentioned clearly, you are encouraging entrepreneurs and all. So I like to mention this. Through invention, how you can become an entrepreneur or how you can make money out of it, because everyone is running pillar to post to generate money, right? Generate money. So we should concentrate in that also. Okay. So for example, I studied in a Tamil medium school in Mettupalayam, Mahajana Higher Secondary School, Mettupalayam. Right. By the time, whenever I cross an engineer house, right? There is an engineer house nearby. The way of my to reach my home, I can find an engineer house, right? My grandma used to say, "Hey, engineer, right?" I'm studying in Tamil medium, and midday meal I used to consume there. I'll come home. Whenever I'm crossing that house, I'll think, okay, if I am going for a job or if I'm doing something, I should go in a car. I should hold a house just it's bigger than that engineer, right? So I had a dream, and I started doing all right. Whatever I'm getting, I'll try. So in that case only, I invented these two things. And in 2010, after becoming a graduate, that is engineering graduate, I started my own business. Okay, let us see how it will work. So I have invented a supernova controller. Supernova controller is nothing but it is a controller which is used in textile industries. Okay. So initially they were importing from Sweden. It is Charter. Company name is Charter. It cost you around 1.5 lakhs per device. per device for controlling that particular machine. Okay. So what I did is, the concept is very simple. Why they are importing is just for brand, and no one is supplying here in India. So what I did is, I have completed my I just opened that the device, and I have seen what is the concept behind it, and I have discussed with many industries, textile industries, and why you are using such costly item for your controlling purpose. They said, okay, sir, this is our need. If you can give a solution, even we can think and we can implement your device. And after reaching home, I thought it's a very simple concept. If you have hungry, you can run for long distance. So I thought of developing that particular technology. I did it in a month, and I am presenting the same in front of MNC company, Batley Boy, right? They have their industry in 136 countries, right? And they're supplying for almost all textile industries. If you have any textile related thing, you might be knowing that industry, Batley Boy. And I told them, okay, it is a very simple technology. And I supplied for 26,000 plus tax. So the actual cost, what they are procuring is 1.5 lakhs. I sold them for 26,000 plus tax. But do you know how much I have invested for that? Initially, I have invested only 50,000, and the final product, obviously, whenever you are doing things, initially you want to invest much, and then when it is coming for final thing, it will be very less. So actual cost of my device is for 4,500 or 5,000 rupees. It will come, right? Inclusive of all my employee, this, that, on the whole, right? Inclusive of it will come maximum 5,000 rupees, right? I'm selling for 26,000. Even I'm getting enough profit, right? For the same process, they are charging 1.5 lakhs. The consumer's import duty, the local duty, this, that, and all, tax, transport, everything is there, right? 1.5 lakhs. So see the difference. And my dream came true. I built a very big house. I have 3 cars, everything, right? Because of the invention, what I made. Because of the invention, what I made. And because of that invention, by that time I was working in an industry, Spartan Engineers, as a project engineer. While working itself, I do all these products, devices like that, right? And one day, now I'm working for Karpam Academy for Education. The director came for a presentation. Actually, I was presenting the total quality management. By the time he impressed about my presentation, and he called for institute. So no, sir, I'm not academician, and I'm not interested. He told, no, you should come. And I was provided with director research, and now I'm happy. See how the life is transforming because of the invention. As I told, how you conceive, that matters. Whenever you go, right, just look at it in a different angle. Don't think like a normal person. If you want to be an inventor, then you should be like that. Then only you can conceive many ideas, right? Day to day, whatever it is, whatever you are experiencing, if you can minimize, the human effort, or if you can reduce the financial, implications, then you should think in a different way. Then only you can come up with a product or a device, right? That is what very important, right? So I like to share my, I have an industry, as I told. For that startup, I got best startup award from Prime Minister. See, not only for this invention, I have 4 or 5 in my industry. For that, because drastically I have reduced the cost consumption of industries, right? For that, I was identified as the best inventor, and I received that award from Government of India, Prime Minister award from the Honorable, now he's Railway Minister, Piyush Goyal, and Kiren Rijiju, right? When I can share, you can see that. So this and all in my industry, you can visit
Sanji Innovators.
SNG Innovators.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में स्टार्टअप इंडिया एक अभियान शुरू किया गया था, उसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हमारे भारतीय प्रदीप भारद्वाज फ्रॉम सिक्स सिग्मा.
So this is, I hope you can able to see that video.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the national award from Prime Minister for my products which can able to reduce the cost of industries. Okay, they don't want to invest much for import duty, and the transportation, this, that, and all. If you can minimize the effort, you can make happy others, like industry people, management, and the people who are working for that industry. Okay, this is how you want to think. So always you should think different from others. For example, let us take the pollution mitigation in Delhi, right? So I am one of the scientists in Delhi pollution mitigation, and we have implemented our product, that is the device, in DST, Department of Science and Technology. Even your senior staffs might be knowing DST. So even while entering the DST itself, I have installed my device, which was invented by me for pollution mitigation. Delhi is a pollution box, so for purifying is very difficult, but we can reduce something. For that, we have developed pollution mitigation device, and we have implemented in Department of Science and Technology, right? Okay. So if you, I can share my industry thing also. So once if you visit S&G Innovators, right? Excuse me. I'm sorry. So if you visit my industry, S&G Innovators, you can able to view my products. What are the products? See, these and all, I am not procuring somewhere and I am supplying. All the products were developed in-house only, right? All the products were developed in-house and we are supplying for the industry. So if you have the vision, you may be having a vision to, be a scientist, or you may be having a industrialist, or as startup you have entrepreneurs like that. Even if you want to go for any job, right, where you want to be, if you have something in your brain, you can win, right? So for that, if you are a researcher, or if you are a game changer like innovator, right, then you can sit in a key position and you can enjoy the life, right? If you are interested, then only you can do all these things, right? Okay, let me come to women related projects, right? So let me tell you, I run a trust, there is Karupa Foundation, Metropolitan. We are doing, you all can visit my website, you can see what we are doing, right? In that, I'll give you a glimpse about the things what we do, right? We are working on menstrual hygiene management, right? How many of, even it is need of the hour, and yeah, obviously it is a women college, all are women's, so you should know. How many do you have any separate cell for MHM, menstrual hygiene management?
So the whole college is women college, sir?
Yeah, whole college is women. You have any center for menstrual hygiene?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Even we have lab in our trust. We have lab for, that is why I am telling, wherever people they won't concentrate, or the area which cannot be touched by anyone. For example, menstruation. Even the people won't talk much about menstruation. Even the women, they won't talk about menstruation to the peers, right? They won't. So we want to come out of that myth, right? So health and hygiene is very important. For in that area we are working. Solid waste management. Solid waste management, obviously, kupela poi nama ukkandu vela seiya matom, right? I want a clean shirt. I don't want to make myself, be in a dirty place like that. We used to think, but that is the opportunity you have. அங்கதான் உங்களுக்கு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி இருக்கு, பிகாஸ் many people they won't work in that particular area, solid waste management. Many people they won't work in MHM, right, research, and even for mitigation of MHM, we are having a separate napkin testing laboratory, right? I'm a panel member in IIT or Chennai, Madras, right? IIT Madras RootTech, I'm a panel member for approving these napkins, right? Because I did research in napkin and menstruation. We have a separate lab for it. I can show you even. If you visit our Karpa Foundation website, you can know much about the MHM, our lab and all, because I have very short time. So in that I want to complete. I'll show you that. I hope you can able to view the screen in which you can able to see MHM lab. Once if you press, we have all the models. We have all the models, how it happens, what will happen, how you want to make yourself hygiene. Even browsers we have provided there. Even if you are a women's cell, if you have something like women's cell, you can download the browser and you can circulate to your students and teachers, and you'll be knowing many things about your menstruation and your menstrual cycle, right? And this napkin testing lab is quite this is all the innovative things. Like nowhere we have one except 2 places in India there is no napkin testing laboratory is available. How many of you knows this? Napkin testing is very important because in 84 5405 ISO standard, BAS standard, they have issued clearance for napkins. Till date we are using the same standard, right? So we should have some higher level of standards for testing napkins, because anyone can manufacture anything and they can share the thing in the market. They can sell in the market. So we should not allow like that. For that we should have laboratories which can test the napkins and then they can market it. Okay. So for that we have napkin testing laboratory. This is how we work for innovation. Okay, basic fabrication facility, and for patent search and prior art search, we have Questel supported computational lab in our trust, right? This is how we motivate people and we do innovation in our trust. Okay, this is how we think different from others and we make products. This is how that 44 patents happened, and till date all the patents are in market. It is very important. Whatever you do, it should come to the market. Then if you are keeping in your lab or otherwise in your institution or the industry, then no use of invention. So in India it is very sad. Like I should appreciate the present government, central government. They are giving much importance for research, innovation. They are motivating young students, like institutions, Innovation Council, Startup India. They are even giving subsidies, benefits to the people who are doing all these things. Really, we should appreciate them, and through that you should make yourself clear what you can do. You can make use of the resource persons, right? In this 1 hour I can't give you everything, right? In this 1 hour I can't give you everything. Literally it is not possible even, right? Even I can share my experience, that's it, right? Even I don't know, even if it is physical, we can able to see the faces whether they are listening or not. Here I can see only the names, that too only 6 or 7, right? Some may left, some may get into the picture, even we can't guess. Just I'm looking at my laptop and I'm discussing, right? There in physical, even in physical, we can't motivate the people in an hour, right? You should make use of the resource portions. You should make use of the time, right? Time is equal to money. So for that you should not waste your time. Once if you miss 1 minute, then again in your lifetime you can't get the same 1 minute, right? So keep in mind. And then my simple advice is don't think much. It should be a simple thing, right? As I mentioned, few of my products, it's not a very big deal. It's not a very big product. Simple thing. If you come up with a simple thing, it's more than enough, right? If you want to grow your business, then you want to work smart. I never believe in hard work. Work smart. Then obviously you can able to do it, right? This is how the invention happens, and this is as the title provided me by Dr. Preeti, my path as an innovator, right? This is how I did my invention and research. So I I stop here and let us start the question session. Okay, question session. Okay, I have another 15 minutes, but please engage me for 15 minutes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Ritika,
sir.
thank you, but let others speak.
Okay, sir. So, thank you for giving your valuable insights on my path as an innovator, sir. So, with that, I call upon Maitreyi to go ahead and take some time for questions.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
I am Maitreyi and I have compiled all the questions asked by the students. So the first question is, what are your biggest strengths and weaknesses regarding innovation?
Biggest strength is my team and where I'm sitting, right? Because I run my own industry. I have two industries, SNG Innovators and STEM Industries Private Limited. And I have my Karpa Foundation. If I wanted to do service, I do through Karpa Foundation. If I want to make business, then I'll do through SNG Innovators, my industry. And since I'm working for an institution, right, I can motivate youngsters through this institution as a director of research, and I'll help out the students to come up with new ideas. And also, as you know, in my profile, I have mentioned almost I'm doing 5.8 crore projects funded by Government of India. I'm happy with that. But the thing is, support from the people for new inventions, always it won't be there, because once you are success, then only people will come behind you. Otherwise, it won't, right? I feel I'm not that much communicative with people. That is what my weakness I feel. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. The next question is, in your
Hey,
opinion,
why the individual people are not asking? Why you have compiled it?
many areas have lot of network issues since it's
Okay,
raining.
I know that. Today morning,
Sent us the questions and I have compiled it.
yeah.
So, in your opinion, what's the greatest innovation in history?
In history, everything is greatest invention. Do you know, inventing a small thing is very difficult. So everything is greatest invention. Even a pencil, a clip, or even a binder clip, whatever it is. Right?
Okay. Does it get easy to get financial assistance for startups from bank?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Yeah, that is why I mentioned the present government. They are supporting the startups like anything, right? Even for my projects, I'm doing brain signal analysis for prosthetic things. For that, I was funded with 60 lakhs for particular that project. Right? I received from SERB, Science and Engineering Board. I received almost 5.8 crores from DST. They are supporting us for doing research and for startup. There is a portal called Startup India, right? If you have really, a kind of invention, sure you'll get from Startup India. Sure, you can approach any TBI and then you can get it. Technology Business Incubation. Chennai in Keelpakkam, you have a TBI.
Okay, sir. So, what are the most important skills needed for working on innovation and idea, on innovating an idea?
Just just think in a different way. That's it. If you go and don't follow anyone, just be yourself and you do it. If you follow, then you are replicating some other people. You don't think that I want to be like this person, that person, and all. Yes, I did. So you will concentrate only in money and name, fame, and all. You will miss your personal things.
Okay, sir. Well, what steps do I need to take to innovate an idea or a concept? How could I get a patent for the concept?
Patenting is very simple. Nowadays, even Piyush Goyal, Honorable Minister Piyush Goyal, he mentioned they have reduced the filing cost even. 80% they have reduced for natural person and for large entity. So filing patent is not a very big deal. You can download forms from ipindia.gov.in, form 1, 2, 3, 5, 18. form 1, 2, 3, 5 and 18 you want to file. So if you are going with any assignee, then form 26. Just you have, if you have any basic concept, you apply for provisional patenting, right? Just for 12 months, it will be there in IP office. And then later, after 12 months, you can file your full spec through form 2. You can apply form 2 and you can give complete prior about your invention, and then you can file. If you file as a natural person, that will cost you around 9,800 rupees, and if it is large entity, 45,000. Large entity matlab your institution or industry. If you file as a normal person, it won't cost you much. I am telling inclusive of early publication. If you don't want any early publication, 4,400 is more than enough for your filing.
Thank you, sir. This brings us to the end of the question answer session. Now I hand over the platform to Ritika.
Just a second, I just have a question, Ritika. I'll just try to ask it. So, good day. This is Dr. Sangeeta from BCom ISM department.
Yes, ma'am.
I keep wondering, why is this not yet achieved? That particular thing. What it is like, we keep using so many gadgets which has remote control, right?
Okay.
And so many of us tend to lose it somewhere and keep searching. And why is that happening? Since it is a remote controller, you can't have a wired mechanism or something. But is there any possibility of bringing a tracking chip towards that remote control to the actual equipment?
To track, you should hold something in your hand, then only you can track. First point. And
Yes.
then if you have smart watches, nowadays there are smart watches, right? So through that we can enable the devices and we can search for it. It's possible.
Okay. Yes, because this
If
is
you want
been
to
a
activate
very
something,
question
you
from
should have something with you.
the very day we see the remote. Very day we
Yeah,
saw the
that is
remote.
what, ma'am.
That's been my
See,
question.
if you want to
Yeah.
search something, or otherwise if you want to do some activity in technology, you should have something, some technology in your hand, then only you can do it, right? Because we are all human beings.
Right.
Technology can
Yes.
activate the
Yes.
technology. Human can't activate the technology. For that, you should hold
Yes,
some
sir.
device.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
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 Thank you very much, sir.
So I have a question, sir.
Please, ma'am.
We have been surrounded by plastics nowadays.
Yes.
So there are still we get lot of still we see lot of biodegradable plastics and all.
There is no
And
biodegradable plastics.
we have been regularly talking about avoiding plastics, especially microns, which is less than 40. But it was there, it comes up and it fades away. Again, those things comes up again, and now also it is available easily in the market. But it is actually to be seen as a hazardous thing for the earth itself.
Yes, ma'am. We are working in solid waste management, and we have worked for DST also for this solid waste management. I have given in my profile with that reference number, madam. Actually, there is no plastic called biodegradable plastic, for your information. And then individual mindsets should change. Otherwise, we can't stop it, because even last month, my grandma expired. By that time, due to this corona, lost a lot of this plastic came again. Okay, they supplied that. We used to organize that, after that ceremony and all, we'll provide food, this, that, and all. By the time they came up with plastic tumblers and all, I told them, no, I don't want. And this plastic PET bottles, water bottles, I told them, why you are supplying this? Just keep a cup, and then you can supply. Nowadays, we forget to use stainless steel cups, that is tumblers, in functions. Those days, only stainless steel tumblers were provided in all functions. It may be a marriage, maybe whatever it is, right? But nowadays, we are not using. So individual mindset should change. We should not insist others to change. If we change, then obviously it is possible to achieve the things.
But there is no possibility of change, removing.
Ma'am, how, see, government can, or for example, I wanted to tell you, even the borewell incidents, right? Government, Supreme Court ordered, there is a clear direction. It's a clear direction that government ordered not to have open pit anywhere, right? And then why it is happening? Do you know how many incidents happened in borewell? It is 150. We lost 150 kids in borewells. I have statistics. You will just go through my Karpa Foundation website. In that gallery, go to gallery, and number of incidents I have provided there with proofs. I have provided 150 kids we lost because of this borewell. But there is a clear direction that you should not have open pits. It's happening because the directions are there from government in all aspects. They are not following. That is the matter. Even that Sujit, his own land, he lost his life. Right? Most of the thing in Haryana, even in Tamil Nadu, Devaraj, his own land, he lost his life. Right? So individuals should change. There are a set of rules, regulations, everything. But if we are not changing ourselves, then obviously it is not possible.
Sir, as you said that before we have to change our mindset regarding using plastics. But whatever we buy in the shop, let it be dal or wheat or rice, everything comes in a plastic. Before
Okay.
rice used to come in gunny bags. Now these days they are making plastic kind of bags and selling everything
I got your point. I got your point. Okay. Where you are purchasing?
from the local store.
Local?
Local store, local departmental store.
Local departmental store. Why you are going there? Go to local store. Okay. They'll be having in that container, they'll give you in that, that paper. Madam, Sangeeta, madam.
Yes, sir.
You might be knowing those days, if you go and purchase in store, they'll give you in that newspaper.
Yes, sir.
Not in
Obviously,
polythene
newspaper are tied with the jute rope.
Jute rope, not with the polythene
Yes.
rope.
No.
Okay.
Yeah,
So if you
definitely,
want to
definitely. Yes.
enjoy that air conditioned, hi-fi, what do you say?
That's right.
Departmental store, then obviously you will be getting the packed one. Okay.
Even if
now we
to
can
the
go.
local store, sir,
Yes, it is available, man. It is available. But we hesitate to go.
even if I
that's it.
go to the local
Simply-
store, sir,
simply
they
telling,
give
ma'am.
us in plastic polythene bags instead of giving in paper. That is why
No. We created them to do like that. Even I came from a small background and I was in village. You know, if I go to shop, they, as Madam Ted, they used to have that jute roll, right? They'll cover all these things and then they'll pack it. Now you people are thinking it is not hygiene. No, nothing will happen. I'm not drinking purified water at my home. Even my kid, I have a small kid, he's studying UKG. I'm not giving the filtered water, purified water, just what I'm getting from my, panchayat water. That directly we are consuming that. But if I'm in office, I'll be having purified water because for my position. Okay, but actually I don't want this. Okay, got it. So this is how. Okay. See, I have a pet bottle. I don't want anything. But they have insisted you to do it. As it is a women college, let me tell you, because, I'm working in MHM, Menstrual Hygiene Management. Even I refer Dr. Sujata, who is in Secretariat as SDG head. She's working along with me for my trust for this MHM, Menstrual Hygiene Management. Right? Who told you to use napkins? They have insisted to use napkins. Now you are facing so many problems, right? Cervical cancer, right? Everything. Even mammograms are coming because of napkins. We scientists are working on it, right? No one told to use napkin. No toothpaste. They told. Now they came again. This is a marketing strategy. Just think of it, ma. See. There are 140 crores of people in India, right? Let us take 80 crore women, right? Let us take 80 crore women who are using napkin, right? 80 crore in our statistics, that is a single pack contains of 5 napkins. So if you have 5 at home, for your cycle, it is not enough. So again, you will take one more packet. So you will be storing 2 packets at your home, right? So for one cycle, you will be using minimum of 6 pads, right? In that 6 pads, right, the cost of that pad is 50 paise only, right? we are purchasing for 28 rupees or 30 rupees, like that. Just think of the market, 6 into 80 crores into 7, right? So every month there is a market of 20,000 crores in this napkin. And napkin is having 3 layers: polypropylene layer, first layer, right? We used to stick it in the panties, right? So above that we have super absorbent and cellulose. Okay, super absorbent and cellulose and unbleached cotton. Okay, if you throw that, we are throwing plastic again, polypropylene again. It will take another 2000 years to degrade. I hope you got it. So
Yeah.
80 crore people every month, they are throwing minimum of 6 plastic. 6 plastic, and it has super absorbent. It will absorb water, groundwater, and again, if you know, while again it will evaporate. Again, it will absorb the moisture. இது பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும். Do you know why? Because it is super absorbent. Continuously it will happen. Then think of the nature. But no one, see, it is healthy if you use clean cloth. இன்னைக்கு cloth யூஸ் பண்றோம்னு பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற பொண்ணட்ட சொல்ல முடியுமா? We feel prestige issue. Hey, napkin use பண்ணலையா? Why? வேண்டியதில்லை, not required. They insisted to use it. This happened only because of, let us take maybe 15 years, 15-20 years. That's it. I have not seen any, you know, these fertility centers before 5 years or 10 years. எல்லாத்துக்கும் குழந்தை இருந்துச்சு, எல்லாத்துக்குமே பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. Now, வீதிக்கு வீதி, you know, every street you can find a fertility center. That to competition. Within 10 lakhs you can. Hey, do you know what is 10 lakhs? It's huge money, right? They don't want 10 lakhs even. Those days, there is no word called fertility centers. Now, each and every street, they have fertility centers. Because of this napkin, there is a research. It is proven thing. I'm working on it. I know very well. Okay. The status, what we think. Right? So, those days, you know, I'm 37 years old. Right? So, I have not experienced that much. 83 born. Those days, even just 10 years before, I used to wear only 500 or 600 rupees cloth. Right? Indian made or cotton cloth pota podum. I used to do like that. Okay. Nowadays I'm purchasing for 3,000 rupees. That to the foreign brand. Just for the position what I'm sitting. We should change out of it. Then only we can do. கை நிறைய சம்பாதிக்கிறோம். நம்ம எப்படி காமிக்க முடியும்? I had a car, Fiat car, right? Now I changed a car. Okay. Not required actually. But I want to change. Every 5 years, if I'm changing, the people will think, hey, Farah. If we come out of it, we can change. Got it? Miss or Mrs. Maitri Govindarajan. Am I right? Okay. Clear now?
So there's one more question. How about the future for sewage management, sir? Does it have a good future?
Sewage management. There are enough projects if you maintain. Again, the individual thought should change. See, do you cook or your mother?
I cook occasionally, sir.
Occasionally, okay. But regularly, I used to help my wife. Okay, washing, because myself and my wife is there in home and a small kid. She is Dr. S. Deepa in Karpam College of Engineering, right? She is also, you know, into next to head of the department. He's program coordinator, right? So both should come out of home by 8:30. Okay. So we want to take care of the kid, UKG. 7 o'clock he used to say, right? But I used to help my wife. She used to cut vegetables, right? வாங்கிட்டு வந்த கவரை பிரிப்பாங்க. ஒரு basket இருந்துச்சுன்னா, what we do? We put the polythene and also the vegetable waste in that particular basket, and the person who will come for collecting all these things will put together, right? Where they'll segregate and they'll do it. You should hold 3 baskets. Degradable, non-degradable, and reusable. You should segregate, and you should have such things at home, and you should dispose like that. See, you can do all these things. I have seen many places, people will be having 3 baskets, but they are using only 1 basket. Right? The person who is collecting, he'll come to your doorstep, he'll be having 3 colors, but he'll put everything in 1 color. And what is the purpose of doing all these things? There are clear directions. There are people mindset should change. Why you people are not doing in Singapore or in Thailand or Malaysia? I have been to all these countries. இங்க நாங்க போனதுமே டைலாம் கட்டு ஹலோ சார் அப்படிமா இங்க என்ன you know the difference. See, when I reach Chennai station, whenever ஊர் சுத்த போயிடுவேன் டிசம்பர்ல, ஆல்வேஸ் ஐ யூஸ் டு ஹேவ் 10 days. எல்லாம் சுத்திட்டு வரும்போது இந்தியா வரும்போது எனக்கே ஒரு ஜெருக்கு இருக்கும். அந்த அவன் ஆறு அடிச்சுட்டு வையின்ட்டு நின்றுட்டு இருப்பான். நான் எனக்கு இருக்கும் அது எப்பவுமே. ஈவன் கோயம்புத்தூர் ஏர்போர்ட் ஒரு சென்னை ஏர்போர்ட் நீங்க போய் பாருங்களேன், வெளியே வந்ததுமே சார் வாங்க கூப்பிட்டு போவோம். வை வி ஆர் டிகிரேடிங் அவர் செல்ஃப். வையின் ஆறு அடிப்பான். ரைட்? ஏன் நம்ம சேஞ்ச் ஆக முடியாதா? வி கேன். திஸ் இஸ் ஹவ் இண்டிவிஜுவல் சேஞ்ச். இப்போ சீவேஜ் கேட்டிங்க இல்லையா, நம்ம போடாம இருந்தாலே பாதி கரெக்டா இருக்குமா? Napkin disposal incineration as per 2017 solid waste management rule to the any type of incineration is not permitted. I hope your institution have incinerator. Right?
Yes, sir.
Any type of incineration is not permitted. If you incinerate napkin, you are producing bromine. You have a science department. You just do research in that. If you want any component, you visit my website and you take the research studies what we did in napkin. You are producing bromine. Directly it will affect your lungs. Okay, so any type of incineration is not permitted by Government of India. But even if they come for inspection, they'll ask whether you have incinerator or not, because there is no other go to dispose napkins. Am I right? And we people hesitate to hold that napkin and carry with the napkin. அங்கேயே டிஸ்போஸ் பண்ணணும், உள்ளுக்குள்ளேயே போட்டணும், போய் மாட்டத்தான் செய்யும். Am I right? Okay. Any other thing?
No, sir. That comes to the end of the question answer.
I'm really happy that till the end there's 100 participants. Good.
Thank you, sir. I hand over the platform to Ritika.
Thank you, Maitreyi. And I hope everyone is clear with their questions. So, honorable dignitaries, distinguished guests, respected principal ma'am, and dear participants, on behalf of Srimati Devgunava Dhananal Vaishnav College and its entire fraternity, I feel immense pleasure to propose a vote of thanks. I want to express my sincere gratitude to Lieutenant Dr. K.P. Sridhar sir, Professor and Research Director in Karpagam Academy of Higher Education, Coimbatore, who spared his precious time from his busy schedule to grace this occasion and enlighten all of us with his innovation ideas. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you all for listening my talk even, right, for an hour. Thank you all. Thank you, Dr. Preeti and Harni, who communicated with me. Thank you for your management for uniting me.
So 2 minutes, sir. We will have a photo session, sir. Just a minute.
Session. How you will take photo session in online?
Sir, that is possible, sir.
Okay.
It's technology is everything.
This,
is possible,
okay.
Yes, we will just take a screenshot, sir.
For government evidence purpose.
Yes, sir. So, dear students, participants, staff members, thank you for attending the session, a great session. And I think Ritika was stopped with the vote of thanks. I'm sorry, Ritika. But
No problem.
Maitreyi, please go ahead with the photo session. And Vidyashri, kindly post the Google form link for the certificate purpose, ma, in the chat box. Dear participants, you can click on the Google form and fill it up so that you will be getting the certificate. After finishing Maitreyi, let us know, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Harni, please switch on your video, ma'am.
It's done, ma'am.
So, ma'am, can I continue with my vote of thanks?
That's okay, Ritika. Not an issue. Sir has to leave.
Thank you
so much, sir.
Ritika.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a good day, sir. And thank you all. Thank you, dear participants. Thank you, dear staff.